Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I am going to cover the current affairs of 28th and 29th October. First thing first, I am extremely sorry for delay in upload due to certain unavoidable circumstances. The video is late. I hope you will understand this. Now let's start. First question is, the political party registered under which section of RPA, that means Representation of People Act of 1951, shall be eligible to receive the electoral bonds. Right answer is section 29A of RPA 1951. If we talk about electoral bonds are a way to finance political parties. Such bonds can be purchased by any Indian citizen or a body incorporated in India. It can be bought for any amount in multiples of rupee 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh and 1 crore. It can only be bought from specified SBI branches, and the purchaser must pay from the KYC compliant account of that particular bank. The bonds will not carry the name of payee and will be valid for 15 days only. The political parties which are registered political party will be able to use this facility of electoral bonds, and such money can be encashed only through the party's official bank account. Now the recognition for a political party is given by Election Commission. Presently, Mr. O.P. Rawat is the Chief Election Commissioner, while Mr. Sunil Arora and Mr. Ashok Lavasa are the Election Commissioners. Election Commission is a constitutional body under Article 324 of Indian Constitution. Answer in comment box how many political parties are given national political party status. Next question is, the former Delhi Chief Minister Mr. Madan Lal Khurana has recently passed away. He also served as governor of which state? Right answer is Rajasthan. He was also the governor of Rajasthan. If we talk about Delhi, recently Delhi government introduced happiness curriculum in government schools. There are two important constitutional amendment act associated with Delhi. 69th Constitutional Amendment Act provided for the Legislative Assembly and Council of Ministers for Delhi, while the 17th Constitutional Amendment Act included National Capital of Delhi and Union Territory of Puducherry in the Electoral College for presidential election. That means these two, Delhi and Puducherry, were included in the Electoral College for election of president. The Delhi government can legislate on the matters in state list and concurrent list except public order, police and land. The 7th schedule of constitution contains 3 lists: union list, state list and concurrent list. Answer in comment box how many items are there in union list, state list and concurrent list presently. Recently, the governor of Chhattisgarh also passed away. Mr. Balramji Das Tandon was the governor of Chhattisgarh who passed away recently. After his demise, the governor of Madhya Pradesh, Ms. Anandiben Patel, was given additional charge. Next question is, the researchers of which country have developed web-based tool to monitor fake news on Facebook and Twitter? Right answer is US. The University of Michigan researchers have developed a tool to monitor fake news on Facebook and Twitter. Facebook is a social networking site which was formed in 2004. The headquarters is in California in USA. Mr. Mark Zuckerberg is the founder as well as the president and CEO of Facebook. 3 important subsidiaries of Facebook are Instagram, WhatsApp and Oculus virtual reality. On the other hand, Twitter is also a social networking site. It was formed in 2006. The headquarters is in California, USA. Next question is, which Indian player has clinched the 2018 World billiards championship title at Leeds in UK? Right answer is Saurabh Kothari. Mr. Kothari has won this title. He won this title by defeating Peter Gilchrist of Singapore. There are three important terms: UK, Great Britain and British Isles. Let's find out the difference between them. Great Britain consists of England, Scotland and Wales. It does not include Northern Ireland, while UK includes all three entities of Great Britain, that means Wales, England, Scotland, and UK also include Northern Ireland. British Isles include Great Britain and Republic of Ireland. British Isle is a geographical term to represent these geographical areas. Next question is, the Enforcement Directorate works under which union ministry? Right answer is Ministry of Finance. ED, that means Enforcement Directorate, is responsible for enforcing economic laws. There are two important laws. One is PMLA, that means Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and another is Foreign Exchange Management Act. ED is responsible for the effective implementation of these laws. ED is part of Department of Revenue, which is a department under Ministry of Finance. Mr. S.K. Misra is the interim chief of ED until new chief is appointed. If we talk about the Department of Ministry of Finance, there are 5 departments. One is Department of Economic Affairs, Department of Expenditure, Department of Revenue, Department of Financial Services, and last one is DIPAM, that means Department of Investment and Public Asset Management. Next question is, which Indian women table tennis player has won silver at Under 21 Belgium Open? Right answer is Aika Mukherjee. She is a Indian table tennis player and she has won silver medal in Under 21 Belgium Open. If we talk about Belgium, the capital of Belgium is Brussels. Brussels is the headquarters of NATO as well as of European Union. NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization, while European Union is a political and economic union of 28 member states. Britain will exit from European Union in 2019 and it is known as Brexit. So the exact date is 29th March 2019. That means Britain is due to leave the European Union on 29th March 2019. Next question is, the researchers of which IIT has launched India's first indigenously developed microprocessor? Right answer is IIT Madras. The researchers of IIT Madras has launched India's first indigenously developed microprocessor. IIT Madras also collaborated with Tamil Nadu e-governance agency to enhance data-driven governance. IIT Madras developed first indigenous microprocessor named Rice Creek under Project Shakti. Project Shakti started in 2014 and it is partly funded by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Next question is, which IIT has recently organized the Young Innovators Program 2018? Right answer is IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur has organized Young Innovators Program for 2018. This was for students of class 8 to class 10 to make the younger generation more oriented towards scientific and technological innovations. Kanger Valley Academy of Raipur topped this competition. IIT Kharagpur has also developed National Digital Library of India. This was inaugurated by Mr. Prakash Javadekar. This is under Ministry of Human Resource Development. IIT Kharagpur also have India's first school on quality and reliability. Next question is, India has recently donated $3 lakh for peacekeeping initiative of which organization on the issues of conduct and discipline? Right answer is United Nations. If we talk about UN peacekeeping, the first UN peacekeeping mission was established in 1948, and in 1988 it was also given Nobel Peace Prize. India has donated $3 lakh for peacekeeping initiative. This will focus on issues of conduct along with sexual exploitation as well as on the capacity building of the security forces. There is a trust named Trust Fund in support of victims of sexual exploitation and abuse. This was established in 2016 and India is the first contributor of this trust fund. This year, that means 2018, is celebrated as the 70 years of UN peacekeeping. 29th May is celebrated as International Day of UN Peacekeepers. Answer in comment box. Which country contributes maximum in the budget of UN peacekeeping force? Next question is, India's largest dry dock will come in which of the following shipyards? Right answer is Cochin Shipyard. Mr. Nitin Gadkari and Kerala Chief Minister Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan will inaugurate India's largest dry dock in Cochin Shipyard. This will give impetus to Make in India initiative under Sagarmala. Make in India is an initiative of government which started in 2014 and the objective is to strengthen India's manufacturing sector. While Sagarmala project is a port-led development, that means it intends to start new ports and to modernize the existing port infrastructure so that the potential of India's vast coastline can be tapped. If we talk about India's boundary, India's land boundary is of 15,200 km, while India's coastal boundary is of 7,516.6 km. This coastal boundary also includes Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Answer in comment box. Which state has longest coastal boundary? Thank you, and that's all for the day.